Hello, my friends. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I will going to test 20-gram potato chips on this ATM 420G 10-hit combination packing machine. Okay, let me run this machine to show you how it works. It is our touch screen of multi-head wheel combination. Let's start the machine. Touch screen. Okay, low product. Let me stop the machine. Let me check the finished bag. Vertical sealing of the bag. And sealing of the bag. And the sealing of the bag. And vertical sealing of the bag.